House prosecutor and Manila 3rd District Representative Joel Chua said the impeachment case would not be affected whether or not the former court sheriff allegedly punched by Vice President Sara Duterte during her time as mayor of Davao City appears in the proceedings. According to Chua, the video of the Vice President's alleged threats against President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez is sufficient as a key piece of evidence. He added that the possible testimony of the former sheriff would only serve to reinforce the evidence already gathered by the prosecution panel.
Well, whether naman nandoon no, si sheriff or wala, ako naniniwala ako the video itself is enough no to prove and yung mga pronouncement niya before. Kaya tingin ko naman ito naman pampatibay lamang